ER-MER-GERD, imaginary friends. You've seen some of the things that I've created with my original Not Another Crap kit. But, as they say, out with the old and in with the new. I got my super Not Another Crap kit today when I came home from my 12-week post-op visit. Coming out of the boot soon, learning to walk. So let's open it up. First, I'm going to need my sharp pointy object. This is from the original crap kit. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. I have been waiting forever for this. Oh, she's so cute. It is literally the size of the box. I'm going to save this box. You know me in upcycling. Reduce, reuse, recycle. I'm going to reuse this for something that's really cool in here. Look at this beauty. You're so beautiful. Nerdy crafter, Jackie. I can call you Jackie, right? I think we're good enough friends now. This is her original. It came with sculpting materials, a adorable character mold, and lots of fun things that I'd never used before. And the highest quality paint. Oh, I didn't know paint could be so schmexy. But look at this one. Move over or over. Here comes something meatier. I literally got this when I came home from my doctor's office visit and the box was there. So I have enough makeup on that you can tell I have lips. Showered this morning, done nothing with my hair. So bear with me. Got my Nerdy Crafter signature beanie on, GingerCat style. Let's see what's inside of it. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm gonna cry. So here is my pamphlet. It's got secret information on the inside that's only for me and everybody else who bought the kit. In this video, I'm not gonna make anything. You're gonna have to watch another episode when I do. And I also have to watch all the videos for how to make this without breaking it. Muse kits, they used to be Smart Art boxes, and now they are Muse kit. I've been super duper looking forward to these because I actually could have used these for the episode I'm making right now. These are sculpting tools. Imaginary friends, look! They're rainbow. I have the orange one of these from the other kit. I am so happy to have two. It's not a doggy dish. It's a collapsible mixing bowl. I can't tell you how much I love this. Not because it's portable, not because it's easy storage, but because I can pop all of the plaster of Paris right out of them and clean them. This is just in case, you know, you feel like you need to craft along the way, just stick them on your belt. My little teeny tiny funnel. I have the orange one from the other kit, so I'm just going to start a collection. Nerdy Crafter, your next kit. I don't know, you have orange, you have blue, maybe it should be, I don't know, pink. My funnel from the last one didn't close very well. This one also doesn't. Am I gonna knock any stars off of that? No, because now it's an accidental fidget toy. Spatula, spatula, does whatever a spatula does. Oh, here's my sticker. It's holographic. This is the t-shirt that I really would have loved to have gotten hers. Not a place to buy a lot of merch. My budget is for crafting. I budgeted for her. So that was a cute t-shirt. Let me show you what I have done with the stickers from the last kit. and I had used the leftover plaster from the bottom of this, and then I used the sticker to make a little coaster. And then I had some flakies. I used my own flakies, but I used the Sophie and Toffee UV resin that came in the other kit. Super cute. I have the other one somewhere. Rubber bands hold the mold together. Just use a lot of rubber bands. We haven't had anything leak, but I'm super meticulous. OCD comes with gifts. Stir sticks, craft sticks. I have a stack of these in my resin stuff, and they're really great for mixing little batches of colors. You're not mixing in little paper cups that are disposable and one use only, because when resin dries and stuff, it's over. So I have mine are smaller, and then the next day you have the most fun. Pop it right out. They're silicone. I love them. Yee! We haven't even gotten to the good stuff. More paintbrushes, and you have seen me use my Nerdy Crafter paintbrushes in previous videos. And these have the tiny ones. Armature wire. You can make things sturdier on the inside when you create with the plaster or with cause clay that's going up. You know how I use these. We have Nerdy Crafter sculpting tools. Look at these. They are silicone on one side and the ball tools on the other. This is the example of what we got last time. Still silicone on this side and ball tool on this side. These are just a very finer tip and finer ball tools. You just can't get small enough ball tools. Unless you like them big. Measuring cup. When you measure out plaster, give it a little shaky. Don't give it a tap. Wow. Oh, and beauty guru. I'm a beauty guru. A booty guru is what I was gonna say. Here is the cause clay. I don't think I've done any sculpting on this channel. I've done it off of this channel. And I just use a lot of Sculpey. I love Sculpey. I've worked with Sculpey 3, and I have a lot of the original Sculpey, but I've never worked with cause clay before. And I'm really excited. It's a little more flexible, I hear. I hear it's a little harder to begin with when you're working with it, but I'm so excited. With that is cause clay oven cure adhesive. I don't know if it's any different than the Sculpey bacon bond. Bonding your bacon. I don't know what it's actually called now. It's not called bacon bond anymore. Here is Permastone. Permastone casting compound. I told you, I just came back from the doctor's office. I have my glasses on. Use this brand. Nerdy Crafter Jackie chose this for a reason. Use this. It's great. Less bubbles. Super duper soft. Dries so well. The stuff that we got most recently with the biggest bag takes days to dry. You can demold it, but it still feels wet after 2 days. I'm not going to name that brand. This is going to make my life so much better. In the other kit, we have a cutting mat that I used as a crafting mat, and she's in a state. This will keep things nice and clean for your table. You know, like mine. When you pour your plaster into the mold, we're getting there. You can pour your leftovers into this. This is the mold. Oh, it's a matte finish. Oh, that's nice. You can pour your leftovers in here. I took this from the bottom of the mixing bowl when it dried. That's how I knew that the mold was dry. is the size of the mixing dish. And then pour the rest of it into here, and then you have a much bigger surface to put your creatures on. Brilliant. What a brilliant idea. This is something. Oh. Ah! I have been waiting for a long time. I've even tried to make one. It's a Lazy Susan. Or a turntable. I made that joke in another video already. You can sculpt a lot of things. Mighty creative. Crafting is my superpower, but wings I'm not really familiar with. And look! Wings! Wing molds. Oh. Could you imagine how much creepier this dude would be with wings? Ah! That's a hint of what I'm gonna build next. This is the mold of the creature. It's got 3 pieces. I'm not taking it apart right now. I will do an episode where I create a creature with this, but I'm not going to take it apart. It's got 3 pieces. There's one on this side, one on this side, and then kind of under here is another piece. I have seen many of Jackie's friends break this a lot. So I'm going to follow the instructions. No, I will. I have made over half a dozen of the figurines, and I have not broken any one of them. This little bottle is the chalk paint. You use this as a primer on your creature, and then you can do airbrushing. I never airbrushed before. I don't know anybody who has one. Ah! And what paints am I going to use? Nerdy Crafter airbrush paints. All right, let's look at the paints real quick. Violet, emerald green, brilliant red, sun yellow, brown, black, white, Lumiere metallic gold, and my favorite color, clear varnish. All those colors. Going for a ride. Choo choo. Compact and beginner friendly. I'd like to say that I'm compact and beginner friendly, but I am really tall. IRL, I am really tall. So I'm not compact, but beginner friendly. The instructions. Read the instructions. All of this. Read the instructions. Always read the instructions. I want to be one of those really fun, off-the-wall, zany YouTube personalities. They're like, instructions, I don't need those. But no, read the instructions. I'll find it off screen. In real life, you have no idea on screen, on camera, in this weird world of lighting, how vibrant these colors are. It's a rainbow. It's got a little on-off button, and look, it's rechargeable. I don't have to have an air compressor in my little art room. We have an air compressor. We have those kind of tools, but I don't want one for a little tiny airbrushing that I don't even know how to do. Here it is, a little charger. Here's the, I don't have a name for it yet. Just screws on. Imagine it's called the pen in editing. I'll write what it's actually called. And here you can have this size that fits on here. Take the cap off. There's a cap on here. Now you can have that size, or you can have this size. It's rose gold. Ah! I don't think you guys know that I am into rose gold. And then everything just goes back. And for those of you who were with me last year, broke my thumb last year, still not doing great. This feels okay. Graffiti something right there on my door. So, here's my kit. Here's my craft kit. All these squeal noises. This is so exciting. Wait, we gotta get to my favorite voice. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. I love it so much. That's it. That's my kit. I'm not going to make anything in this video. You're going to have to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, Nerdy Crafter. It's not sponsored. Thank you for creating this kit. Thank you for creating this kit. It's glorious. It's everything I had hoped for. I knew everything that was going to be in this kit. I knew. I've been watching the videos. I've been hanging my thread. I love it so much. Just touching all the things involved. I feel really super connected. Definitely not salty about any of this. It's glorious. I love my little wonky funnel. My first one was wonky. It's fine that my second one was wonky. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, thank you so much, Nerdy Crafter, for bringing this to your community. We're artists or learning to be artists or professionals or amateurs, and it's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. Thank you so much. This isn't a regular episode. Regular one's coming out tomorrow on Friday. So until then, bye.